I'm going to show you how I make buttered coffee. This is coffee that I just brewed. It's about 20 ounces. This is a half stick of butter in the blender with some cinnamon on it. I also put a little bit of salt in there, and then I pour the coffee in. Then I put the lid on and turn the blender on. The longer I let it run, the frothier it gets. Turn it off and pour in the coffee. Yeah. The butter is whipped up, and it really makes a good tasting drink. And I have it's probably around 250 calories. Bye bye.